Hi guys! Winter vacation is just around the corner and I can't wait to embark on my snowy adventure. I'm going on a thrilling snowboarding trip to the majestic mountains. Excitement bubbles inside me as I think about the snowy slopes and the snowman I'm going to build. Before my grand journey, I have to pack my suitcase and I know I have to fill it with thick clothing. The mountains I'm going to are known for the freezing temperatures. But wait, don't you know what doesn't mean that something's thick? Let me tell you. Thick means that the inside of something is kind of fat and big, while thin is the opposite. It's like skinny or small. If a piece of clothing is thick, it means it's fuller and warmer. And if a piece of clothing is thin, means it's less warmer. In summer, we normally wear thin clothes. And in winter, we wear the thick ones. But wait, I'm just getting mixed up. Let me get back to what I was doing. Oh, yes! This is my beautiful closet. It's super cool, yes. Do you understand? I can ask for outfits directly and it just gives them to me. All right, let's start. I need an outfit for a snowboarding place. Oh, perfect! Can you see? It's perfect for snowboarding. The pants are thick, the sweater is thick, and the coat is thick too. Great! Thank you. Let me just think. Please, can you give me an outfit for trekking in the mountains? What? No, you've got it wrong. This clothing is far too thin for the mountains. Can you see? The pants are very thin. And these are for summer. And so is the t-shirt. I don't want to get a cold. Come on then. I'll give you one more chance. Remember, it's for trekking in the mountains. And it's winter. Ah, yes! Now you did it. That's just right. These pants are enough thick for the mountains. And so are the sweater and the vest. Yes, it's a very thick vest. Great, I like it. Very warm. Okay, what else? I need an outfit for my downtime at the hotel. Yes, I plan to have some time to read books and relax. Come on, closet. Give me the best outfit you've got. Yes. Perfect. This outfit is just right for my leisure time. Yeah, the pants and the sweater are a bit thick, but just enough to stay warm indoors. Yeah, I'm super ready. All my outfits are sorted and ready. I'm ready for my adventure. Great! Thank you, guys.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, are you ready to keep learning English with us? Yes? Super! Today we're going to work towards the adjectives comparatives, okay? And especially about these two words, thick and thin. Remember, thick means that something is inside, on its inside is quite fat, and thin means the opposite, that the inside is tiny, it's small, right? Okay? Remember the video about the clothes? Yes? So, we have them here. And we just have to put the right adjective into each sentence. Let's read together. My winter red coat is very My winter red coat is very... It really warms me up. Look, here we have a clue. It warms me up. That means you feel hot, okay? So, that is thick. My winter red coat is very thick. Let's just write it here. Great. It's a thick coat. Super. Let's go for the second one. I have got a very t-shirt that I just wear in summer. Okay, the second clue. All right. So the t-shirt, it's a short sleeve t-shirt that I just wear in summer when it's hot. So I think it's what? Thin, right? Yeah, let's write this adjective here. Thin. Well done. Then let's go for the number 3. Better to use not to gloves. Otherwise, you can't hold the ski sticks. Okay. So we are skiing, aren't we? Right? And we need to have a not too thick gloves. Okay? Yes, we need to be able to grab the sticks. So a not too thick. Great. Let's put this adjective here. Great. Now let's go for the number 4. This clothing is far too for the mountain. I'm going to be cold. Here we have the next clue. Yes, the number 4. Oh, the number 4. I go to the mountains, right? And are these good clothes for the mountains? No, they are not, right? Because they're very thin. They are far too thin. So this clothing is far too thin for the mountain. I'm going to be very cold. Great. Now let's go for the number 5. The purple vest is and protects me even more from the cold winter. Okay. So I guess that if it's a cloth that is protecting me over the cold winter, that means it's what? Thin or thick? It's a thick vest, right? It's for the winter. So let's write Thick. Great, thick. And the number 6, we have it here. This lightweight and comfortable pajama set is perfect for a cozy night's sleep. Great! This lightweight. Great. And comfortable. What? I think that if we have the word lightwear, we already can see what's the right adjective, right? Light weight, so that means thin. Let's put the adjective thin, okay? Yes, we have them. Good job, guys.